Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to get Grizzly Statue and KingShot. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to get the Grizzly Statue, also known as the Boxing Grizzly Bear Statue, and KingShot. This decorative statue is usually available as part of a special store pack, often listed under the Decoration or Statue section of the in-game shop. Access may require you to reach a certain level, and most packs are limited time offers that cost real currency or gems. Keep an eye on event notifications or special deals in the shop, as these promotions may appear for a short period. Once the pack is available, purchase it, open it, and claim the statue. You can then place it in your city's decoration or monument area, where it typically occupies a 3x3 space. Because this is a limited mythic type item, it may return in future promotions, so make sure to grab it while it's available. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.